Every successful construction project depends on the right work happening in the right order. When schedules are unclear, subcontractors arrive at the wrong time, dependencies get missed, and small delays can quickly affect the entire project. In this workflow, we'll show you how to create tasks, organize your project schedule, and assign work to vendors inside CPro360. After logging into CPro360, navigate to the project you'd like to manage. From the project dashboard, select Schedule from the left-hand navigation menu. This opens the project's Gantt chart, giving you a visual timeline of every task required to complete the build. If the project was created using CPro360's US Standard Residential Construction Template, the schedule is automatically populated with the standard tasks needed for a residential construction project. Each task is given an estimated duration and position within the start and completion dates you established when creating the project. This gives your team a complete starting schedule without having to build every phase from scratch. Because every project is different, the schedule remains fully customizable. From the Gantt chart, you can drag tasks to different dates, reorganize the order of work, and move groups of tasks earlier or later as the project changes. Selecting an individual task opens its details. From here, you can update the task name, description, start, and completion dates, duration, priority, status, progress, and any other information needed to reflect the realities of your project. For example, if you know a specific phase will require more time than the standard template allows, you can extend its duration and adjust the schedule accordingly. To create a completely new task, click Add Task in the upper right corner. Begin by entering the task name and a clear description of the work that needs to be completed. Next, define how the task fits into the overall project schedule. You can assign a parent task, identify a predecessor task, select the task type, and establish its priority, status, and current progress. Parent tasks help organize related work into larger construction phases, while predecessor tasks establish the order in which work must occur. This helps ensure one trade does not begin before the work it depends on has been completed. CPro360 also includes an AI weather-sensitive option. If the task could be affected by rain, extreme temperatures, high winds, or other weather conditions, simply enable the weather-sensitive setting. CPro360 automatically monitors the forecast near the project location and alerts your team when upcoming weather could affect the task or potentially delay the schedule. This gives project managers time to adjust work before the delay creates a larger domino effect. Next, connect the task to the appropriate budget line. Linking tasks directly to the project budget keeps scheduling and financial tracking aligned. When the work is completed, invoiced, and paid, the associated costs remain connected to the correct portion of the budget. You can also assign the task directly to the vendor or subcontractor responsible for completing the work. Once assigned, the vendor can receive email or text notifications reminding them when the task is scheduled, where the project is located, and exactly what work they are expected to complete. After reviewing the task information, click Create Task. That's it. The new task now appears in the project schedule and is connected to its dates, dependencies, budget line, and assigned vendor. CPro360 also allows you to view the schedule in the format that works best for your team. Use the Gantt view to understand task sequencing and dependencies, the calendar view to see work by date, or the board view to follow tasks through each stage of completion. With schedules, vendors, budgets, and weather alerts connected in one place, your team gains the visibility needed to keep work moving and respond quickly when conditions change. This has been another CPro360 workflow helping residential builders spend less time managing projects and more time building homes.